everyone, and welcome back to Michelle Little Things. I'm glad that you came back. Today I will be decorating my Christmas tree, and I want to take you along with me. It's a miniature Christmas tree. I had no intentions of putting up a Christmas tree this year because I was in the process of keeping my priorities straight and decorating my entire house. So the Christmas tree was on the back burner until, if you've known me for a while, you would know that I'm a truck driver. So one particular day last week, I stopped at a department store and they were throwing away a lot of their Christmas decor that they used about 2 years ago. Nothing was wrong with it. They were putting it inside of this dumpster that had all of the packing stuff in there, like cardboard boxes, styrofoam, plastic, and they were throwing away a 12-foot Christmas tree. If that tree had been 8 feet, I would have brought it home. But since it was so tall, I knew I couldn't get it in my house, so I just left it in the dumpster. Nothing wrong with the tree at all. Matter of fact, I will insert a picture right here. Among that tree being in there, long strips of garland. Fluffy, big pieces of garland with the pine cones in it, little red berries on it. I mean, just nice stuff. And I asked them why were they throwing it away, and they said that they update their Christmas decor every 2 or 3 years, and so they just throw the stuff out. And I just said, you know, is it okay if I have it? They said it's not a problem, just go ahead and get it if I wanted it. So I just, you know, before they put the rest of it in the dumpster, I got what was in there in the dumpster out, and what they had on the cart ready to throw in there, I just went on and picked that up and put it inside my truck, and I put it in my car and I brought it home, plugged it up, the lights worked. Nothing wrong with it. So this prompted me to go ahead and get a Christmas tree. So this Christmas tree that I have, it is a tiny Christmas tree, but I'm going to decorate it as if it were a large 8-foot tree. This Christmas tree was about $7.49. I've already fluffed it out, and I put a pick in there just to see what it would look like. And I think it's gonna be really, really cute. This is a Christmas tree with the lights on it. It's not a lot of lights, but it's enough.